Hello, friends and distinguished guests. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody. It is my great pleasure today to present the outcome of SRFSI in the form of high impacted journal in Journal of Cleaner Productions on behalf of my all co-authors. In this paper, we addressed the research question that conservation agriculture-based system intensification can reduce the energy requirement and CO2 equivalent emissions in rice-based cropping systems of the smallholder farmers in Eastern Gangetic Plain while improving the energy use efficiency and productivity. This paper is validated and documented in large number of on-farm trials across 3 countries of the Egypt. Our results are statistically very strong and powerful. If you know that in Eastern Gangetic Plain zones, the rice and rice wheat cropping system are the major dominated cropping systems, while we have new emerging cropping systems as well. And we found that through the on-farm study that rice cropping pattern demonstrated the highest energy use and CO2 equivalent emission than other alternative cropping systems, which are rice wheat, mung bean, rice wheat jute, rice maize, and rice lentil, and so on. Conservation agriculture-based sustainable industrial management practices reduce the total energy usage between 5% and 11% compared to traditional practices. It is also reduced the CO2 equivalent emissions between 11 to 16% relative to traditional practices. The efficiencies of energy use was higher by 14 to 17% across the cropping systems under CASI than conventional practice. It is also important that by the adoption of partial CASI, also significantly reduce the CO2 total energy requirement of rice-based cropping systems and significantly increase the energy use and EP and CO2 equivalent emissions of all systems compared to conventional practice. CASI management practices produce higher crop yields and gross margins with less energy use. In general, in traditional way of that, when we increase the management level for increasing the crop yields and gross margins, we also increase the energy usage and the other natural resources. But by adopting CASI, this can be reversed. We can take harvest more with less. This is also contributing directly to the sustainable development goals of clean environment by reducing the global warming potential and clean energy use. Thank you very much.